Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your ASUS ZenFone Max M2, for the first you have to be logged into your Instagram account, and you have to pick up the picture that you want to download. So I'm going for my profile and I will take this picture. After that we have to go for the Play Store, click on the search pool and type here repost for Instagram. We have to get this application from the KIMC929, so let's get it. And right now just click open, tap to open the background apps, open our Instagram account, click right here on these three dots in the right upper corner and select share, and we have to pick up this repost for Instagram application that we download. And right now when we enter this application, the repost, you will see that here we got our picture from the Instagram. We can also take off the signature from the photo and click on the middle button to save. Accept the permission, and right now we can check if it is working. So let's go for the files, and it will be in the photos probably, in the images. And as you can see, here it is. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.